Hi, first graders. Today we're going to read this story called Baby Animals on the Move. This is a story, it's a non-fiction story, it means it's true. And we are going to be reading all about baby animals on the move. Let's look at this first page. This is a photograph. We've talked a lot about illustrations, and here on this side we have an illustration from the end of our story pouch from last week. But this is a photograph. This is a real-life photograph of somebody taking a picture of two kangaroos jumping. Now, let's look at this picture here. I'm going to ask you a question. I want you to answer out loud in your house. How can you tell from this photograph here that the mother kangaroo can jump higher than the baby kangaroo? Good. You can look at the bottom, their feet. She's much higher up than the baby. Also, she's much taller. Usually when you're taller, you can jump a lot higher. All right, let's get reading. Kangaroos can jump. Lions walk together. What do the lions do together? Look at the text. What do they do together? They walk. Very good. Fish swim in the ocean. Ducks paddle on the pond. How do the ducks move? The text. What's this word? So they paddle. Ducks paddle on the pond. Well done. Horses gallop in the field. Let's take a look at this photograph. Are the horses moving fast or slow? Good, they're moving very fast. How can you tell? How do you know? Look, their legs are a little blurry. They're up in the air. Usually when you have all four limbs, all four legs of a horse are up in the air, that means they're galloping. They're going very fast. Wonderful job. Let's keep going. Baby turtles crawl to the ocean. Oh my gosh, those are so cute. I might die. Birds can fly in the sky. We like to watch. Where's that word we? Point to the word we on this page. Where's we? Good, it's right here. We. W-E. Wonderful job. That's one of your high frequency words this week, so make sure you pay close attention. Each movement is different. We can all move. Oh my gosh, that puppy is so cute. I think I might die. This was the best book I've ever read. I love this book. All right, we are going to be going to Lumio next, and you're going to be answering the questions on this page in the Lumio slide. So underneath this video, there is a Lumio B button. Please click it next so that you can fill out the information here based on the book that we just read. Awesome job, guys.